Picture this. You wake up Monday morning, and instead of spending hours researching competitors, booking restaurants, and organizing grocery lists, you simply tell your AI assistant to handle it all. By the time you finish your coffee, it's done. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not anymore. OpenAI just announced ChatGPT Agent, and it's making the entire tech world stop and take notice. This isn't just another AI update. It's the moment artificial intelligence stopped being a helpful chatbot and became your actual digital employee. Welcome back to BitBiasedAI, where we do the research so you don't have to. Since OpenAI made this announcement, I've been analyzing everything about it, and what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about AI's role in your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what ChatGPT Agent can do and why this might be the most significant AI development since ChatGPT itself. But here's what really caught my attention, and this is where things get interesting. What is ChatGPT Agent? ChatGPT Agent represents a fundamental shift from reactive to proactive AI. If regular ChatGPT is like having a brilliant conversation with a knowledgeable friend, ChatGPT Agent is like having that friend actually get up and complete complex tasks for you. OpenAI describes it as a unified system that thinks and acts using its own virtual computer. Instead of just telling you how to order a wedding outfit, ChatGPT Agent will research dress codes, check weather forecasts, browse clothing sites, compare options, and handle the entire purchase, all while keeping you informed. This is what OpenAI calls agentic behavior. Traditional AI responds to prompts. Agentic AI takes initiative, plans multi-step processes, and executes them autonomously. It's the difference between asking for directions and having someone actually drive you there. The magic is in the integration. ChatGPT Agent combines conversational intelligence with hands-on capabilities, browsing websites visually, running code, accessing APIs, and generating ready-to-use documents like PowerPoint presentations and Excel spreadsheets. Key features breakdown. The unified agentic toolset ChatGPT Agent operates through a virtual computer with multiple specialized tools. It combines OpenAI's earlier operator web browser and deep research assistant. But here's the kicker. It uses all these tools simultaneously, switching between them as needed. Picture this. You ask for competitor research and a presentation. It starts with text-based browsing to scan dozens of websites, switches to visual browsing for complex interfaces, jumps to terminal for data processing, then outputs a polished PowerPoint all-in-one continuous workflow. External app connectors. Through ChatGPT connectors, the agent integrates with Gmail, Google Drive, GitHub, Calendar, and more. There are two levels of integration. For reading information, it accesses your accounts directly after authentication. For actions like sending emails, it uses secure browser takeover. You log in, and it continues using your session without storing passwords. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It directly supports our ability to dive deep into the research on new AI releases in this rapidly evolving landscape. Automated document creation. This feature alone is worth the subscription. ChatGPT Agent creates fully editable PowerPoint slides and Excel spreadsheets with charts, data analysis, and professional formatting. We're talking sophisticated, ready-to-use documents that you can download and edit in Microsoft Office. Autonomous task planning. Give it high-level instructions like research 3 competitors and create a SWOT analysis. And it breaks this down into a complete action plan. It handles web searches, data collection, analysis, and document creation without requiring step-by-step guidance. The scheduling capability is game-changing. Set a Generate Weekly Performance Report task to run every Monday, and you'll have completed reports in your inbox automatically. Interactive web browsing with transparency. The agent provides real-time narration of exactly what it's doing, every click, search, and page visit. This builds trust and enables collaboration. You can interrupt anytime with course corrections like, use this website instead, and it adapts immediately without losing context. Safety and privacy controls. OpenAI implemented extensive safeguards. The agent asks permission before irreversible actions and refuses high-risk tasks like bank transfers. It monitors for malicious prompts, allows one-click data deletion, and never stores sensitive information like passwords during browser takeovers. Usage and availability. ChatGPT Agent is exclusive to paid subscribers, Pro, Plus, and Team plans. Pro users get 400 agent interactions monthly, while Plus and Team get 40 interactions. An interaction means a complete task session, so researching competitors and creating presentations counts as one interaction. Activation is simple. Select Agent from the Tools dropdown, and your interface becomes an agent workspace. Just describe your goal in natural language. No new commands or syntax required. How to use ChatGPT Agent. Think in terms of outcomes rather than processes. Instead of search competitor pricing, create spreadsheet, make chart, simply say analyze our top 3 competitors' pricing and create a comparison report. The agent collaborates in real time. As it works, you see live narration and can provide feedback. Start broad, then give specific direction as needed. It's like having a research assistant who immediately incorporates your guidance. Setting up connectors for email, calendar, and documents means the agent works with your real data. After completing tasks, you can schedule them to repeat automatically. Perfect for routine reports and analysis. Early reactions and real-world testing. The response has been extraordinary. AI influencer Alex Banks called it blown away worthy after testing a complete Tesco grocery shop. The agent needed minimal guidance and made appropriate contextual choices, including selecting sticky toffee pudding for dessert. Tech journalists found tasks taking 10-25 minutes lengthy but thorough. A Wired reported test involved ordering cupcakes, taking an hour but described as easier than me doing it myself. The agent isn't just faster, it's more comprehensive than manual work. Early adopters report success with research projects, event planning, and business analysis. One user had the agent plan a complete date night, researching restaurants, checking availability, suggesting weather-appropriate activities, and creating detailed itineraries with backup options. However, Sam Altman emphasizes this is experimental technology. Users report some failures, agents getting stuck in loops or misinterpreting instructions. The consensus? Genuinely useful for many tasks, but requires oversight like a capable but inexperienced assistant. Implications for the future. ChatGPT Agent isn't just a feature release. It's a preview of how AI will reshape our relationship with technology and work. The agentic AI revolution. This represents the shift from reactive to proactive AI. When AI can autonomously navigate complex workflows, it changes the economics of many types of work. Tasks requiring human attention for every step can now be delegated to AI agents working independently with human oversight. Transforming technology use. As Wired observed, the way we use the web will fundamentally change. Instead of manually navigating websites and transferring information between systems, agents handle friction, while humans focus on creative and strategic work. Business impact. For businesses, productivity gains could be staggering. Routine workflows like competitive analysis, report generation, and customer research could be largely automated while maintaining human oversight for quality and strategy. This suggests job transformation rather than displacement. Knowledge workers can focus on analysis, strategy, and creative problem solving, while agents handle routine research and compilation. New challenges. However, autonomous agents introduce unprecedented security and privacy concerns. Questions of accountability arise when AI agents make mistakes. As these systems become more capable, robust safety measures and ethical guidelines become increasingly urgent. The broader landscape. ChatGPT Agent accelerates a race among tech giants to build practical AI agents. This competition could drive rapid improvements, but also raises concerns about safety and standardization. We're entering the era of AI agents doing real work. The coming months will be crucial for understanding reliability and necessary guardrails. Conclusion. ChatGPT Agent represents more than an AI update. It's a glimpse into collaborative artificial intelligence that doesn't just inform but actually performs complex workflows with minimal oversight. The technology is impressive but experimental. Early adopters find real value in delegating routine tasks while discovering the importance of human judgment. This balanced approach is exactly what we need as these systems advance. For those staying at the AI forefront, ChatGPT Agent is worth exploring if you're already a subscriber. Start with simpler tasks to understand the agent's capabilities, then gradually explore complex workflows as you build confidence. The broader implications extend beyond individual productivity. We're witnessing fundamental shifts in technology interaction and work organization. Early adopters will have significant advantages as agentic AI becomes prevalent. What aspects of ChatGPT Agent excite you most? Where do you see AI agents making the biggest difference in your workflows? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to BitBiasedAI for more cutting-edge AI analysis. We're living through the most exciting period in artificial intelligence history, and I want to ensure you're prepared for what's coming next.